Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your earbuds to your phone. And first of all, it can be a problem of audio player, so we should just restart it. So just remove it from the cache and open it. Check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, also we should open the application and right here scroll down and check if you have the last software version. So just click on it and it said that I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, it can help to restart your phone or tablet if you use a tablet. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So open settings and now remove it from the charging case and the touch area is located right here. Now put it to your ears and press and hold both of the touch controls for at least 5 seconds. You will hear a sound, it means that it's finished. Yeah, we perform it, so now put it to the charging case and we should remove it and add. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now it entered to prank mode automatically and we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!